Which sentence should be deleted because it is unrelated to the other sentences in the paragraph? A. Sentence 2, B. Sentence 4, C. Sentence 7, or D. Sentence 8. In order to identify which sentence supplies unrelated information, we need to first establish what the topic of the paragraph is, or its main idea. As a quick review, the main idea of a passage is the central point that the passage conveys, and one which every sentence either leads up to, mentions, or expounds upon. The sentences of the paragraph may add details about this idea, support it, explain it, etc. Usually, but not always, the main idea can be found in the first sentence, otherwise known as the topic sentence. With that in mind, let's try and identify the main idea of this passage. We see the first sentence immediately introduce Laulu, with the rest of the paragraph describing his impact and some of the process behind his work. The second paragraph focuses specifically on the current campaign, fighting malaria, and supplies some background information on what malaria is and why it's important to raise awareness. With this in mind, let's go through our choices and see if they contribute to or detract from our main idea. A. Sentence 2. Whether it's sneakers for Nike, bottles for Belvedere, or face art for Serena Williams, Laulu's signature brush strokes are in demand. This sentence tells us who exactly Laulu is and establishes his credentials, which gives us a background on why he was given this role in the malaria campaign. As this fits into our main idea, we can mark this as incorrect. B. Sentence 4. I call them hieroglyphs from Yoruba mythology. While this might not tie directly to malaria, it expounds upon the previous sentence, in which Laulu discusses his artistic style, which, again, lets us know why he was chosen for this campaign. This can be marked as incorrect. C. Sentence 7. Laulu has directed many campaigns where major themes include religion, war, politics, technology, Egyptology, sexuality, economics, environmental waste, media, history, music, greed, and human nature. This sentence veers off topic a bit, and instead of focusing on the malaria campaign, which the first two sentences talk about, as well as the rest of the paragraph, it describes other campaigns that Laulu has been involved in. While this lets us know that this isn't the first campaign Laulu's been involved with, this information isn't necessary. We don't need to know what the other campaigns Laulu has been involved with are. The only one we're interested in hearing about now is the malaria campaign, especially because we've already seen all of his credentials in the first paragraph. This is likely our final answer, but let's check out choice D just to be sure. D. Sentence 8. Malaria is a mosquito-borne disease that is most prevalent in Africa, with Laulu's home country of Nigeria accounting for almost a quarter of the more than 400,000 people that died from the disease each year. This sentence is necessary as, without it, the audience doesn't know what malaria is. This sentence also adds why this issue is personal to Laulu. As this adds to the main idea of the paragraph, this can be marked off, and C, sentence 7, can be marked as our final answer.